Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how to customize this particular type of mannequin head. I really like this mannequin head. I mean, it's something you can use for ventilating. And as you can see, this head is even kind of bigger than the regular mannequin head you have right here. Okay, so I got a lot of them, like you can see in the previous clip, and each of them is going for 115. I think if you're on a budget, you can't afford this, that's the dummy head or the canvas head. So this is the canvas head right here. So if you can't afford this, you can actually go for this. It's just 1,500 naira. So I'll show you guys in this video how to customize it, how to prepare it so it would last long and you can use it for whatever use you want to use it for. I'd advise people that when you're buying, buy this type of mannequin head, this type of styrofoam, not the other one you can see on the screen, because the circumference is kind of smaller than this particular one. This circumference is wide enough for ventilating. Okay, so all you need for this is, forget about this tape right here. While I guess while they were shipping it to Nigeria, they mistakenly, this one got broken at the neck area, so I used a tape to secure it. So all you need for this tutorial is just a tape. You can use the colored ones if you want to add color to your mannequin. Maybe you want to use a green background, a red background, a black background. You can use the colored sticky tape, as you can see in the video. I think I got this tape for, I think 250, 300, or even 500. I can't remember how much I got it here in Nigeria. So if you're buying, just order by calling the number on the screen, or send us a WhatsApp message. Okay, so all you have to do is to tape down. First of all, I like to go, so this is the front of the cap of the head. I like to go from here to here. So you open it up and then you just place it right there. You can make it smoother than what I'm doing right now. I'm actually preparing this for a customer. Okay, so if you want us to customize it for you, like to do the taping for you, you just add extra 500 naira. Okay, so you just lay it down like that. Now, for the last time, I will just go over this area again, because notice the area we use most for ventilating. So I'll go over it the second time. Remember, the first time was horizontally. Sorry, the first time was vertically. This second time we are going horizontally, right? You can go over and over again. You can go over this over and over again. Okay, just to ensure that everything is in place. Okay, because the thicker it is, the longer it will last. So if you're placing your order, just call the number on the screen. So I don't normally, tape this area because I don't think it's necessary. But if you want, you can still go ahead and do that. So that is it. Next step is to smoothen it down as much as you can. Actually went to the market and I got this colored tapes. Okay, for those that may want to use it, this colored tape is for ventilating as well. You can, okay, where I got it, I actually got them from a bookshop, a bookstore where they sell book items. That's where I got this. I don't know how this thing is. So hello guys, I actually got these tapes here from a bookstore. Okay, I got it from a bookstore and I got it for 200 naira. They're very affordable, so there's no need ordering for it, because go to a bookstore and order for it. In case you don't have it, you can still call the number on the screen to order for your own. So I'm going to be showing you guys what to use this for. This particular tape is actually for you can use it for ventilating. It's not like it's actually for that's what it's used for. No, you can use it for ventilating. While I went to buy it, they were also telling me that I can also get it from a big from people that bake stuff, so you can also check them in case you need it. So there are 3 layers colors. I think these are the basic colors for ventilating, depending on the lace color and the hair you're using. So if you want to know more about these backgrounds, I'll link the video in my description box. You can go ahead and watch the reason why you need different colors. You may need different colors for ventilating. Okay, it will be on my video, on my description box. But for this particular tutorial, okay, let's use green. Okay, let's use green to do this. I've already, like at the beginning of this video, I already taught you guys how to do this. Like I already taught you how to regular tape, guys. I already taught you how to tape the head using a regular tape. So for this video, I'm just going to be going over. You can use green, you can use any color of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and still, I'm just going to, you know, place this over this one. So, okay. Some people would say you should do it in small sections. And yeah, if you can't get the tape from your place, you can use a plastic bag, like I showed you in the video. I placed the link in the description box. Okay, you can use a plastic bag, yellow bag, so you can use yellow, you can use green, you can use black, whatever you choose to use. Okay. So for this part, I'm just going to tape down the area we ventilate with most times. Okay, you can still go ahead and mix the colors. If you feel you will need more than one color again, you can go ahead and mix the colors. You can do green here, like you can do green here, then do yellow here, then do yellow red here, you know, so that whenever you need your green, you can just use the green part. Trying to avoid so much folds. Now you keep changing the color of the tape depending on the hair or whatsoever you're working with. You can decide to make a part of this hair, like here now you can make it yellow, so that when you're ventilating, you place this side when you're ventilating anything that requires yellow, depending on the lace color you're working with. So assuming we are doing red here now. Let's do red. Like I said, don't get me wrong, you can use only one color throughout. But I just feel, because yeah, there are times when you may need to change the color of the mannequin you're working with, the color of the background you're working with. At that point in time, you may have to start looking for another tape to, you know. So we sell these things. If you want us to customize it like this for you, so that there'll be red on one part, another colors and on other sides, it's just 500 naira. You go ahead and let us know, contact us and tell us what you want, and we'll get it done for you. Now you have a red side, then I'm going to change this side will be yellow. You have a red side, so the other side will be yellow. So I'm going to be doing yellow on this side. So you can buy this particular mannequin from us. It's going for 1,500 naira, and then we can customize it like this for you. So if I'm using a light color, for instance, like green, in this particular color, you will notice that I can easily see the strands I'm working with using a green background. And as well use a red. Okay, you can see the number of hairs I'm picking here, right? But for the yellow, it will be too light. I don't know if you guys can see, it's very, very light. I can't see anything. But then for the black, for a black hair, you can see I can use it on black here, but on yellow it's most visible, so I can easily count the number of strands I'm working with. On red is also very okay, but the best I think is yellow when you're ventilating a black hair. So whatever hair you're ventilating, you just place it on the mannequin, be it on the green side, on the yellow or the red, and that will determine the color you have to use in your eyes. Wow. And I'm going to show you how to place it on a mannequin stand in order to avoid, you know, this part from, you know, enlarging. All you have to do is to get a nylon, push it in using your finger, push in the nylon using your finger, and then you gradually place it. So that way it will protect, you know, further enlargement of the hole. Helpful, guys. Do give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.